Hello, welcome to another video of Map Business Online. We would like to talk a little bit about the hidden gems and the feature set within Map Business Online. Can't write about every little thing in the web content, so I'd like to just highlight a few features that I really like. Here is a list that I've imported a data set, and you can see I've got green dots where the geocoding has gone well, and I've got a yellow dot where it hasn't gone as well, and I've got a red dot where it didn't go well at all. If we hover over that red X, we can fix the data. I could go in and actually edit the properties of the data. I could add, records in these fields, or I could go in and click that address and change, that particular address to something else entirely. When I do that, it brings me to where that new address is located. I could actually accept what it gives me as the positioning of my record, or I could move it. I could actually go in and click somewhere else on the map, which would allow it to assign a latitude, longitude. I'm going to go back and stick with the address that we've placed here. I'm going to click this, make sure that it updates the data within the actual data list that I brought in, and you'll see that JYN Networks now has 19 Norwood Avenue, so that's been updated. That's a neat little gem within Map Business Online. Other things that we were looking at today was the ability to go in and take a look at counties, I should say territories, and I've got some territories that I've set up here in New England. You'll notice down here, I've got a territory here, a territory here, and I've got a red overlap. So I've gone into my option button, territory options, and I've allowed territories to intersect, and I'm allowing that intersection to show in red. I could choose to have that show in blue if I wanted to, in which case now there'd be a territory overlap evidenced in blue. I could go in and select a specific county because that's what the territory is based on in this particular case, and I could remove it from territory B and give it to territory A. And so that's a nice, neat option or feature within Map Business Online that you're able to do territory overlap. You'll notice there's no legend visible here. The legend is retrievable by simply, again, going back to that Edit Map Properties button. Down underneath is where all the legend controls are, so we can click Edit the Legend, show the legend. I can go in and change any content that I want to and make it read the way I want to. So you'll see that content word now shows up over here and my legend is back. So that's where those controls are. We could go to a satellite imagery view if we so desired, which is another feature of Map Business Online that's kind of cool. You can drill way in and find, detail, quite incredible detail, which as it turns from satellite imagery into aerial imagery, and we subscribe to that service, and that's kind of cool. And the other thing I wanted to mention is when you save a map view, so if we go back to a custom template view and maybe click that little button there to get back out to the full US view, and we wanted to look at a saved map image and get Alaska and Hawaii and Puerto Rico in that classic US map view with Alaska embedded in it. We can do that by saving that particular view. So that gives you the option, as opposed to zooming way out and having to incorporate Alaska, but having it kind of embedded within your map view down below, as so many typical US maps do. So those are some hidden features within Map Business Online that I thought you might enjoy in a video. Thanks for for using Map Business Online or considering it. Go to mapbusinessonline.com and take our free trial. Talk to you soon.